seriously, what is there?
I can't do this. I'm just not getting involved.
There's an
today.
inside out in there.
Look, you can see how windy it is. The pool's free.
Push it in there.
Please don't
Come
make
on.
me do this.
No, that's
Please,
it. That's
please.
it. That's it. Well
Please
done.
don't make me do
In
this.
it goes.
Molly.
In it goes.
Sorry.
I don't want to do it.
It's alright, Dad, come on. I'll take you into the inside.
Molly, come over here. No, Molly.
I'll take you into the inside.
Why are you saying me?
Let me sit down. Let me just sit down.
Where are we sitting down?
Let me just sit down.
Where are we sitting down?
Oh, just don't make me do this.
What?
It's. Oh, don't take it. Don't, it's so cold. Don't take it. Oh, don't.
Oh, let it go.
No, I don't want to let go. No!
It's freezing.
Oh, that's so cold.
Oh, Jesus Christ. No, you're wet. No, you're wet.
Come on.
Oh, we can see your body now. Oh.
Yeah. You ready? Get this, Molly. Get his reaction. Oh. Get his Stay in. No. Not this move. Get my unicorn back. It's all right, Molly.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, so hot. Oh, it's cold. Oh, that's so cold.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Can I take you in?
Yeah, no thanks. I'm the camera person.
Are you getting all the good angles?
Yep.
Let's do this.
Wait, Molly, come around this so you don't get splashed with water.
How will that... okay. I'm coming.
Oh,
What are you doing?
oh, that didn't work.
What are you doing?
Let's continue.
What are you trying to say?
We'll look at it. Come on.
Stop, just it. Come on, give it 20. Wait, what are you doing? This is wrestling match, not a training camp.
I slipped.
Keep your hand down, you fool.
I bet you can't get me down. I bet you can't get me down. No, with one leg, I bet you can't get me down. Oh!
Say that again.
Why'd you do that for? Oh, I'm done. It's actually too cold.
I found that pretty easy.
Did you actually?
Yeah, you were pretty weak in that.
Let me push you in there.
No.
Let me push you in. Sit in there, I'll push you in.
Oh. Alright, you can push me in once.
Oh, dear.
Oh, that is cold.
Oh, Molly, come over here. We've got to show you something.
Right. What is it?
Right in the ball.
Oh, we can't be doing
I'm not going to fall fall for that.
Yeah.
You nearly fell for it, though, to be fair.
I nearly fell for it. But you can't trick me that easily.
It's been raining all day today, but actually the sun's about to come out now. It's quite nice.
Yeah, it's slowly getting there.
Slowly
If
getting
you
there.
are in England or, you know.
The last couple of weeks have been quite nice. Would you agree, Molly?
Yeah, but if you're in England, you probably know it's been pretty horrible today.
Yeah.
There was a storm, but I can't remember the name of it. I heard that, the other day all these people went to a festival and all their tents were like flying off.
Oh, that sounds.
Imagine that. You go out for the
Colourful.
day and you come back and your tent's gone.
That doesn't
And what are you sleeping on?
I don't know.
the grass.
But that is a freezing cold pool. And just for luck, I'm going to get back in. Whoa!
I honestly don't think he's my dad because he's like,
Mental.
yeah, he is mental, so.
Right.
Alright, please go away.
Alright.
Just go inside, like.
Well, I'm going to go inside then. I'll see
All
you
right.
later. Thanks everyone for watching.
Yeah, okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. Go away.
We don't normally ask them to subscribe, but no.
Yeah.
See you later. everyone.
Guys, please subscribe. We're so close to 5k. They're going, you can't know how close we are.
Okay, 1 minute. I'm going in. I'm in.
Get in then!
I'm going.
We're less than 150 subscribers away from 5,000 subscribers. There's a crazy surprise, 5,000 subscribers. It's going to be epic. So, like Epic JUK. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.